Yo, what's up? Ricky Sanders here. If you live for fast cars, greasy hands, and solving problems under the hood, welcome to your new favourite spot. I'm all about real fixes, no BS, and showing you how to keep your ride running like a champ. So go ahead, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's make some noise in the garage. Enough talk, let's get ready.
In 1990, to replace the popular inline-six BMW M50B25, came a new, much more perfect and powerful, called BMW M50B25, popularly nicknamed Plate. From the new family M50, the series also included M50B20, M50B24, S50B30, S50B32. Technical characteristics. The main difference between the M20 and M50 engines is in the cylinder head. In the new engine, the head was replaced by a more perfect twin-shaft, 24-valve with hydrocompensators. Valve adjustment is not threatened. Diameter of inlet valves 33 mm, exhaust valves 30.5 mm. Camshafts with 240-228 phase, 9.7-8.8 mm lift are used. An improved lightweight intake manifold is also used. The engine management system is Bosch Metronic 3.1. The timing drive in the new M50 engines has also changed. Now instead of a belt, a chain is used, the service life of which is 250,000 kilometers, usually lasts longer. In addition, individual ignition coils are used. The ignition system is electronic. Other pistons, lightweight connecting rods with a length of 135 mm. The size of M50B25 injectors is 190 cubic centimeters. Since 1992, the M50 engines received the well-known Vanos intake shaft variable valve timing system, and these engines became known as M50B25TU. Technical update. In addition, these engines utilized new 140 mm long connecting rods and pistons with a compression height of 32.55 mm, 38.2 mm on the M50B25. The control system was replaced by Bosch Metronic 3.3. 1. These power units were used on BMW cars with the Index 25i. Since 1995, the M50B25 engine was replaced by a new improved M52B25 engine, and in 1996 the production of the M50 series was completed. Technical specifications of the M50B25 motor. Parameter name characteristic engine brand M50B25 years of production 1990 to 1996 volume 20 1991 cubic centimeters. Power 192, 5900 192, 5900, TU. Number of cylinders 6, number of valves 24, piston diameter 84, fuel consumption 8, 7, engine oil quantity 5.75 liters, recommended oil for use 5W35W 4010W 4015W 40, resource 400 plus thousand kilometer. M50B25, 1990 to 1992, base engine. Compression ratio 10, power 192 horsepower at 5,900 rpm, torque 245 Nm at 4,700 rpm. M50B25 TU, 1992 to 1996, added Vanos intake timing system, changed connecting rod and piston group, installed other camshafts, 228 phase, 9/9 mm lift. Compression ratio 10.5, power 192 horsepower at 5,900 rpm, torque 245 Nm at 4,200 rpm. Maintenance of the powertrain should be carried out every 15,000 kilometers, but, as with any engine, it is recommended to reduce the period by 1.5 times to increase the life of the motor. To prevent other malfunctions, it is recommended to do a diagnostic of the electronic engine control unit for errors during each maintenance. RPMs are floating. Often the fault is caused by a failed idle valve, COX. Cleaning it will bring the engine back to normal. If the problem remains, Then look at the throttle position sensor, DPDZ, temperature sensor, lambda probe, clean the throttle. M50 Vanos. The problem is expressed in rumbling, loss of power, floating revs. Repair. Purchase of M50 Vanos repair kit. In addition, due to its age and peculiarities of operation, BMW M50 engines suffer from high oil consumption, up to 1 liter per 1,000 kilometer, which is not too much reduced after overhaul. Valve cover and oil pan gaskets may leak. Leaks through the oil dipstick are not excluded. The expansion tank also likes to crack, after which we get antifreeze leakage. At the same time, periodically the M50 camshaft sensor, crankshaft sensor, DPKV, coolant temperature, and so on cause problems. Despite everything, the BMW M50B25 engine is one of the most reliable power units of the Bavarian manufacturer, and the bulk of problems are caused by the age and style of operation of the motor. And even such engines roll over 300 to 400,000 kilometers, and if the motor was used in a sparing mode and adequately maintained, its resource can far exceed 400,000 kilometers, because not in vain they have received the reputation of millions of kilometers. Buying an engine M50B25 is a good choice for swap and subsequent finalization with the use of a turbocharger. Further, we will talk about such decisions. Conclusion: M50B25 engine is a simple and reliable power unit. Maintenance can be carried out with your own hands. Due to the simplicity of the design, it can also be repaired independently. In conclusion, the BMW M50B25 engine stands out as a remarkable piece of engineering, blending performance with reliability. Its smooth power delivery and robust design have made it a favorite among enthusiasts and tuners alike. Whether you're considering a classic BMW or looking to understand more about this iconic engine, the M50B25 offers a compelling mix of history and performance that continues to resonate today. Thank you for watching, and be sure to explore more about the fascinating world of automotive engineering.